Welcome to our guide on understanding cocaine addiction. Together, we'll take a look at its history, addictive nature, effects on the body, and treatment options that are available in Ontario. Let's start with a brief overview. Cocaine. What is it? It is a powerful stimulant derived from the coca plant. While typically odorless, it can smell like gasoline, rotten eggs, and cleaning supplies, depending on how it was processed. It often comes as a white, crystalline powder, but it can take on entirely new forms based on the properties that have been added to it. The most famous example of this would be crack cocaine. Cocaine has a long and colorful history. Its history is deeply rooted in South America, where indigenous cultures have used the coca plant for its stimulating properties for thousands of years. The 19th century was when it started being explored for its pharmaceutical purposes. It gained widespread recognition and use in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. We then learned about the addictive and negative components of the drug, and that's when it became a controlled substance due to its high potential for abuse. However, there was a global demand for it, hence the rise in illegal trafficking. Let's go over the short and long-term effects of this drug. Cocaine has many effects on the body and the mind. It induces feelings of euphoria, increased energy, and heightened alertness. Users experience an increased sense of confidence, energy, and sociability, which can be particularly enticing. However, these effects are short-lived, and it's followed by a crash characterized by fatigue, irritability, and depression. The effects of cocaine typically last for 15 to 30 minutes. However, it can also last up to an hour. Different administration techniques, such as snorting, smoking, and injecting, may provide varying degrees of strength and duration in their effects. Cocaine stimulates the brain's reward system, leading to intense cravings and addiction. Its rapid onset and short-lived effects contribute to its addictive nature. Long-term effects can lead to cardiovascular problems, respiratory issues, and neurological damage. Short-term effects include an increased heart rate, blood pressure, and body temperature. Not to mention the strong possibility and risk of overdose. Cocaine overdose is an extreme threat. It is often underestimated. It can result in seizures, heart attack, stroke, and even death. Mixing it with other substances also increases this risk. The best way to stay safe is to avoid the drug altogether and to begin the detoxification process as soon as possible if you are struggling with this addiction. Here's a breakdown of what this looks like, as well as a few details regarding the withdrawal symptoms. Cocaine withdrawal can be challenging to deal with due to its complicated nature. It comes with symptoms of fatigue, depression, intense cravings, and anxiety. The intensity and duration of these symptoms varies from person to person. Because of this, the way these symptoms are treated vary as well. This is why the detoxification process often requires medical supervision. It also requires methods tailored to each individual's needs and circumstances. If you or your loved one is struggling with cocaine addiction and aren't sure what to do next, you can start by looking for a qualified treatment center. Look for accredited facilities with experienced staff, comprehensive treatment programs, and evidence-based methods. Consider location, cost, and aftercare programs. Aftercare is a major component of recovery. At Simcoe Addiction and Mental Health, we provide lifelong support to all of our graduates, offering tailored resources, continued guidance, and free aftercare programs. If you're in Toronto, Simcoe Addiction and Mental Health offers a practical cocaine addiction treatment program. Our inpatient center, located just outside of the city, caters to diverse needs. Whether seeking help for yourself or supporting a loved one, remember that recovery is a journey, and there is hope. If you are looking for additional support, you can visit our info and support page under the Resources tab on our website. Together, we can navigate the path to lasting recovery. Until next time, take care.